Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a life-changing hair growth remedy with you guys. This hair mask is honestly one of the most powerful hair masks I have shared. I actually haven't shared that many hair remedies with you guys, but I will definitely be sharing heaps more soon. So before I actually move into the recipe, make sure you have hit the subscription box below so you do not miss any videos from me, and also hit that little bell icon so you guys get notified every time I do upload. And also let me know in the comments of what you guys want to see next. So the hair mask or hair remedy that I'm actually sharing today is really amazing for hair growth naturally. If you suffer from hair fall or any other scalp conditions, this really boosts hair growth. It also gets rid of dandruff, prevents hair fall, prevents graying of the hair. It's all natural. You do not need many ingredients, and I will go through the ingredients now. So all you need is one red onion. So I would actually recommend using the red onion over the white onion. I've used both of them, but the best results I've had with red onion. We are also going to need ginger. Now ginger is the secret ingredient of this remedy. You guys will be surprised of how amazing of an ingredient this is. The other thing we are going to use is coconut cream. I'm sure most of you guys are already familiar with the benefits of coconut cream and coconut oil, and also coconut milk for the hair. So coconut cream was a must, and the last ingredient is lavender oil, and the lavender oil that I'm using is 100% pure essential oil, which you use in your diffuser or just for good smell. So the reason I've used onion and ginger in this recipe is to basically stimulate hair growth. So onion and ginger juice are going to go on our scalp, and they're going to stimulate the hair follicles and really start getting the hair growth process started. And what we're going to do is we're going to get both of these and put them in a blender, blend it right up, and then we're going to remove the juice from the pulp. If you apply the pulpy mixture to your hair, it will just be too much effort to get it out. So I actually recommend to put it in a blender and get the juice out just to get the full benefits. The onion also has extra sulfur, so this actually supports strong and thick hair. And onion juice has also always been known for really healthy hair. Now the lavender oil, not only is it anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, but it also soothes and heals the scalp, and it also prevents hair fall. The lavender oil in this recipe will also help with the smell, because onion juice, as you know, is like really strong. The smell is really strong. So the lavender oil will help it smell really good. And then lastly, the coconut cream is rich in essential fatty acids, and it is really great to restore hair health and moisturize the hair from the strands and the scalp. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix all of these ingredients, and we are going to apply them on our hair like a mask. Now I would recommend to leave this in your hair from at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. And before you do apply this mask, I would actually recommend to heat up your hair, like put a hot towel around your hair so your pores on your scalp are opened. So when you put the powerful ingredients, it's like really instant stimulation, and the blood flow goes straight to the head. This will actually stimulate hair growth and really start the hair growth process. And when you do apply this, you want to massage it in like you're massaging an oil, just like that, and then just really massage the mixture in and leave it in. If you are not using the coconut cream, if you have really oily hair and you don't want to mess with the coconut cream, the other thing that you can do is you can get the onion juice, the ginger juice, and the lavender oil, put it in a spray bottle and spray all over your hair and leave it on for the 30 minutes or an hour. So after this whole process is done and you've left your mask on, on your scalp. All you need to do is wash it right off, do a double shampoo, use a clarifying shampoo, you know, condition like normal, and that is it, guys. I recommend to do this only once a week or once every 2 weeks, but I promise you, you're going to have so much hair growth. And if you try this out, make sure you tag me if you're on Instagram, or email me and let me know how you go. I love to see your progress with my remedies. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you've subscribed if you haven't already subscribed. Bye.